Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be a product review over this coconut cream recipes Coco Repair coconut cream deep conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. That's how it looks. So this was pretty cheap. From what I can remember, I got it a little while ago. It was like $5-6, which is good for Aunt Jackie's products. If you don't know, her line is pretty expensive, in my personal opinion. But yeah, so I got this a little while ago, and I've actually used it twice. I used it once, and I waited too long to do a review, so I had to use it again to actually give a review. So that's what we're going to do today. So once again, this is the coconut cream recipes Coco Repair coconut cream deep conditioner. Once again, so it smells. Let's start with the smell. It smells like coconuts to me. This is how much I have used. Can you see? Take it off for just 1 second. Yeah, that's how much I've used. I haven't used much, and it's a very, very thick consistency. Like, as you can see, that's not going nowhere. So once again, it does smell like coconut to me, but this is the consistency. So that's how it looks. As you can see, it's very thick. But so this is thick, as you can see, but it works into my hand. Like, it melts into my hand, is what I'm saying. Even though it's thick, it literally melts into my hand. And that's with me starting with this. Again, I'm gonna just show y'all this one more time. So yeah, that's how thick it is, but it did melt right into my hand, as y'all saw. And that's pretty much how it works in my hair. So when using it, it's moisturizing as soon as you work it into your hair. As soon, I won't necessarily say as soon as it hits your hair, but you work it in and rake it through, you feel the moisture. This is the wash and go, the conditioner only wash and go. If it's up, I'll link it up above and down below so y'all can see the tutorial on this. But this is the wash and go that I did right after using this deep conditioner. And so I'm just saying, I had a good base. And to pair with this, I shampooed. If you didn't see the wash and go tutorial, I showed y'all what I used. But I did shampoo and condition with this VO5 Moisture Milks Strawberries and Cream Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. This is what I used to shampoo and condition with right before deep conditioning. And then I let my deep conditioner sit in for about a day. I let it sit in my hair for a nice while, and my hair was moisturized when I took it out. Basically, I think this is a really good product for its price. And then the size is 15 ounces for $7 at most by Aunt Jackie's, and that's a pricier brand. This is 15 ounces for $7. It's a really thick deep conditioner, and if your hair really likes thick products, wait, let me say this. I am a very unconventional person in the sense that I don't necessarily use stuff for what it's meant. Like I just said, this is a wash out conditioner, only wash and go. Like just plain conditioner, regular shea moisture conditioner. So if you like thick products, moisturizing products, I would even suggest leaving this in, honestly. Like, I don't think it will hurt your hair at all. Like, it's very thick, it's very moisturizing, smells good, has a nice consistency. I think it's a really good deep conditioner, but you know, I would leave it in if my hair, you know, liked that. And I might try it one day. And this is sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. The container claims that this product delivers nourishment throughout the hair shaft to stop damage and breakage, and it's for natural curls, coils, and waves. And it is enriched with coconut oil and avocado. And yeah, so at the bottom of this, read it all to you. It says repair beyond compare. Jackie's conditioning treatment blends coconut with avocado, mango, and flax seeds to help repair damage, stop breakage, soften, shine, and hydrate dry, brittle hair. And you know what? I think it works up to what it claims. I do think that it now I won't say it repaired my damage because I don't know, I've only used it twice, so I can't say that, but it did make my hair soft. It did add shine, and I do feel like my hair was hydrated. So it definitely does what it claims to do. So yeah, once again, I just think this is definitely a product you can check, that you should check out. It's affordable, and yeah, and like, look at it, I got a big head, and this is compared to my head. That's a big jar, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come and give you a quick review on a deep conditioner that I don't see many people talk about, and if they do, it must have been so long ago I didn't catch it, obviously. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any other recommendations on deep conditioners I should try that's affordable, please comment them down below. I'm trying to start stacking up on my deep conditioners. As you can see, I've done not 2 deep conditioner videos or reviews recently, but within these past couple months I have uploaded 2 deep conditioner reviews. So yeah, I'm just really trying to stack up on my deep conditioners. My next review will be of this one right here. This is the Palmer's one, and this black one right there. Gotta use that one more time before I give you a review on that as well, but I'm just letting y'all know. We getting these deep conditioners back into the routine, baby, okay? We're gonna have moisturized, shiny hair all summer 2K19, all winter, all fall, all summer next year. Moisturized hair, period, baby. Okay, let me stop. All right, y'all, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.